Christmas is almost upon us, which means it's time to make an ornament.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
What?
Why don't you give him a backstory?
Oh yeah, backstory. We here at our 2 Cents have a cherished, long-standing family tradition. During the holiday season, while out enjoying the festivities, we find one new ornament for our tree each year and write the year on the bottom. And as we decorate our Christmas tree with each year's ornament, we reminisce about the memories of those past holidays. Well, for 2023, we thought, wouldn't it be fun to take our 2020 design of our Santa incense smoker and turn him into our very own 3D printed ornament, fully equipped with little dingle-dangle legs when he's hung. Dingle, dingle, dangle, dingle, dangle. And he stands too. Ho, 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 cookies and hot cocoa. Okay, now can I say it?
Yes, you can.
It's time to make an ornament.
But now that we're inspired to make something, you might ask yourself, where do I start? Inspo, concept, idea, spiel first.
A little inspo concept idea spiel first. The inspiration for our 2024 ornament started with snow. Studying and drawing pictures of real snowflakes that were taken under a microscope.
We loved the beautiful patterns and thought, wouldn't it be great to use this clear 3D printing filament infused with silver glitter flakes and model a dimensionalized fractal snowflake that would shimmer in the light.
But what could we do to our snowflakes to zhuzh them up?
How about a snowman?
Better.
How about a modern take on a snowman?
Even better.
How about a silhouette of a modern snowman made from stacked snowflake cross sections?
Ooh, and maybe we introduce a contrasting color and texture for his facial features and snowman accoutrements.
And let's make him wiggly and jiggly by adding beads between the layers.
Like a bowl full of jelly.
Let's run a print and start testing. Here's all the snowflakes for a single snowman.
We added a small hole to each so we can string them together with nylon string. And we printed out a tray of hat parts, noses, and scarves in a shiny white filament.
I added a heavy texture to help them pop from the flakes. You know what?
What?
It's time to make an ornament.
Seriously? Look at all them snowflakes. Sometimes the printing process leaves behind little wisps of material as the print head moves around. An easy way to remove them is to use a heat gun and quickly move it over the surface, wisp-free.
To help us organize these snowflakes, we made these little caddies.
The sides have numbers that correspond to our build diagram to make assembly easy.
Look at that. That's our name. So the bottom, it has a little groove right here. And that groove matches this bar right here. Oh, you want to hear it click? Snowman butt.
One little bead.
You ready for the scarf? And we made these pretty scarves, and it's just got a clear bottom, so there's something to thread onto. Snowman body. Oh, this face has goobers on it. Let me get it. Okay, I fixed it. We made this little snowman face. He's got little eyes,
Ooh.
but no nose.
Oh.
And don't forget the snowman noses. They're not exactly carrots because they're white, but they're supposed to be carrots, trust me. They're carrots.
There's a little hook, and then a nose with a little hook hole. Wait for it.
That's when you know your nose is installed correctly. Snowman face!
Okay, you ready for the hat brim?
Present me with hat brim.
Okay, hat comes in 2 parts. So here's the brim. And it's got a little hole there. Now you can see a little gap there. It's like 2 points. So when I tie a knot, it just goes into between the little peaks there.
one little head.
We've got a snowman ornament.
One snowman ornament. Happy birthday! Well, thanks for joining us as we thunk up our 2024 edition Snowman Ornament. And if you want to spice up your spruce, neaten up your noble, titillate your Tannenbaum, make sad tree happy,
Yeah, okay.
then head over to our shop to make your sad tree happy.
Thank you for your support. It helps us make more content like this for you to enjoy.
This has been Art 2 Cents on how to make a Christmas tree ornament.
Happy holidays. Bye.
Bye!
So what gets us going on these crazy artistic endeavors?
What?
Okay, now can I say it?
Shut up!
Okay, now can I say it?
There's a leaf blower.
Can't control snowman. We've got a snowman ornament. He's crazy. Happy birthday.